Fascia covers can be factory-formed vinyl or aluminum. However, they are usually field-formed from aluminum trim sheet on the portable field brake. To field-form a fascia cover, measure the board to be covered. Keep in mind that the formed fascia has to cover the edges of the soffit panels. Form the desired shape. Make sure to include a hem to eliminate waviness of the trim coil. Now install the formed piece onto the wood fascia. In most cases, the top of the fascia cover slides behind a roof drip edge. If a drip edge is not present, utility trim can be installed to receive the fascia cover. In these situations, you can snap lock lugs onto the fascia panels. To install aluminum fascia, pre-drill nail holes a maximum of every 24 inches, aligned with the V-shaped groove in the soffit. Never nail trim sheet tight to the wood surface. If more than one length of fascia is required, overlap two pieces to ensure a smooth appearance. On overlapping fascia, make sure to overlap them a minimum of 3/4 of an inch. When installing vinyl fascia covers, always follow the manufacturer's installation instructions. An F-channel must be installed onto the bottom of the fascia board. Cut 1.5 inches of the lip and overlap by 3/4 of an inch. At inside and outside corners, overlap tabs a minimum of 1 inch and miter the bottom of the fascia so that the finished area is attractive. Where a horizontal eave transitions to a gable or rake, forming must be installed to support a bird box. Create a bird box out of trim sheet or a vinyl fascia cover. Install the bird box as a fascia cover for the eave. The eave and rake fascia covers are installed after the bird box.